Everybody would rather be rich than be poor, which is why in this video, I'm going to give you my honest advice on how to get rich. And by the end of the video, you'll understand the clear principles that you need to get there, starting with the first, which is setting some real goals. So many people out there will say things like, I just want to be rich. And that's great. But why? All of this is just wishful thinking with no real purpose. So what do? Work out why you want to be rich. There's absolutely no rules here. Maybe you want to live with more freedom. Maybe you want to secure a better life for your family, or maybe you just want to buy nicer things. It literally doesn't matter what they are. What really matters is that you have a purpose so that you have something to work towards. Learn a skill that is in demand. You see, when we were all at school, we all did algebra and learnt about all of these random science experiments, but how many of them have we realistically used in real life since? But of course, going to school is something that we can't control. It is all part of the system. But one thing that we can control and one thing that we can learn is skills that are actually in demand right now. And it's because the skills you have are in high demand. If you were doing it as a business or even just a side hustle, you can charge a lot more than you would doing other skills. But even if you had it as a job, most of the time, the jobs are paying much higher than the average salary in your country. Don't rush this stage. Work out what you enjoy, work out what you're good at, take your time to master it, and the income will always come after. Follow the basic money principles. These are: number one, spend less than what you make. Sounds pretty simple, and people will still say it is hard because of cost of living, which obviously I totally get. But it was never going to be easy. Number two, pay off any high interest debts. If you do have any, these are going to absolutely kill your monthly budget. And if you can get rid of them quicker, the more money you're going to have every single month. Number three, build an emergency fund. I've gone with 6 months worth of my bills, but 3 months is more than enough. And number four, stop buying things that don't matter. Now, if you are watching this video and your goal is to get richer, and you are still going out there buying designer clothes, spending money on Starbucks every single day, or maybe eating out 3 times a week, and you're moaning that you're not getting richer or you're not getting anywhere towards your goals, then you have absolutely nothing to moan about. You know exactly what you need to do. Cut it out. Change your mindset about money. I mean, we've all heard of the saying, the rich get richer. I'm hoping if you are watching this with the right intent, then you realize that this just doesn't happen by luck, or it's something that just happens because you've got lots of money. The real reason this happens is because the reason why people are rich is because they look at their money completely different to everybody else. Instead of looking at their money as a means of survival, let's say, they look at their money as a tool and how they can use it to grow their money and have more of it in the future. This is actually why you see so many people that win the lottery only go on to be broke maybe a couple of years later, and that's because they actually always had that poor person's mindset. The only difference was they were given a load of money overnight, which means they were always just going to go and spend it and not use some of that money at least as a tool to help them grow their money for the future. And I guess you might be asking, how can you use your money as a tool? Well, there's actually only one way, and that is investing as much as you can. If you're young and watching this, and when I say young, I mean 50 and under, and you haven't reached your financial goals yet, you want to be investing every single spare penny that you have into at least something. I'm not here to tell you exactly what to invest into because everyone's situations are different, but some of the best investments for me are definitely things like the stock market, paying off your mortgage early, that always helps, adding more to your pension contributions, maybe investing into a rental property that you can rent out in the future, or even going super safe with something like gold.
I love gold.
And the best thing is, if you can start doing this, getting that money working for you, and whilst at the same time focusing on increasing your income, you can actually add more money every single month. And what this will do is unlock one of the most powerful things when it does come to growing your wealth, and that is compound interest. I'm not going to tell you about what compound interest is right now because every man and his dog has got a video about it on YouTube, including myself. But if you're currently not where you want to be with your finances right now, now is not the time for saving. Yes, interest rates are currently high, and yes, you can get a nice little return on your cash if you do leave it in a bank account at no risk at all. But if you actually want to grow real wealth, then you're going to need to be investing in one way or another. Get healthy, and I really mean this one. Being rich is absolutely nothing if you are not healthy enough to enjoy it. I mean, we've all heard of the saying, you never want to be the richest man in the graveyard, and health is never valued until sickness comes. Trust me, I've been there. Well, not in the graveyard, but this was me 2 years ago. I know what you're thinking. But guess what? When that picture was taken, I was living a life of freedom, making more money than I ever had, and I was working for myself. But was I happy? Do I look happy? I was depressed. I woke up every single day with no motivation to go outside, no motivation to see anybody, to do anything. I felt horrible within my body and I lost all self confidence. And this is all because I wasn't being healthy and I wasn't looking after myself. And by the way, it doesn't need to be getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning and going to the gym 5 days a week. For me, all it was making better food choices and just getting outside for a walk once in a while. Just do something positive for yourself, cut out a couple of bad habits, and your mind and your body will thank you for it. And it is such a key part in getting wealthy in the long term. Stay patient. Getting rich is a marathon, not a sprint. We've all heard it. Unless you're planning on winning the lottery, nothing is going to come overnight. Besides, look what happened to those guys. All you need to do is set a goal, have a purpose, pick a plan, and stick to it. Oh, and check my videos out on investing if you need help with that side of things.